This is what I got at Bakwerk for $3.99. One sandwich contains tuna salad with pieces of green apple, and the other one contains cheese, lettuce, spicy hummus, and grilled vegetables. The sesame bagel has a generous amount of herb cream cheese. At Florentina Chocolates, I got this large chocolate Easter egg for $7.99. It was a month after Easter and fresh butter and milk was used for the white chocolate part, but it was still good to eat. This time at the Jumbo supermarket, I got a couple of not so good items. The falafel was already opened, the burgers were brown, the meat sticks were discounted to €1 already, and the shrimp was 1 week past expiration date. To make sure that I get something I like and what makes it worthwhile, I started to get 2 bags at once. Although there are some duplicates, there is enough variety in the products to keep doing this. I tried this tasty tortilla from the brand No Fairy Tales for the first time. The smoked salmon salad was also a nice surprise. I especially liked the chewy pasta in it. These are tortilla bites with tomato mozzarella, smoked salmon, and chicken curry. At another Jumbo supermarket, I got more fruit and vegetables, but the mandarins seem to have been frozen, as some were very mushy. This is what I made with the red bell pepper, snow peas, and asparagus tips. This time I kind of regret getting 2 bags as I got the fried fish twice and I didn't like the taste of them. But I got to try one of their microwave meals with a meatball and endive mashed potatoes. The baby potatoes tasted great stir-fried with the carrots. This is what I made with the string beans, macaroni veggies, and the chicken. It's not going to be easy to lose weight if I keep getting yummy pastries like this. This time I got a carton of yogurt that I needed to finish on that day, a lot of cut vegetables, pastries, and sausages. For the first time I wanted to trade the blue cheese for something else, but it didn't taste as bad as I thought. At Vlaams Broodhuis, I got half a white sourdough bread, 2 sesame buns, a chocolate bread, and a bag of brioche buns. That evening I made hot dogs with the bread and the sausages from the previous jumbo bags. I ate the brioche buns with the omelette for breakfast.